Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Kenwood Tl-922 in for repair. The air variable capacitors for the plate and load side are nice and clean. Has the stock parasitic suppressors. They look good. So someone added the soft key, needs a new band switch. It's hard to see, but the contact over here is blown apart. I'll show it once it's pulled out. So ordered a new switch, going to do the 10 meter modification to it also, ground the grids, and do everything else I normally do. So I'm going to get to work on this, and I will be back with a video when it's all completed. So I love these amplifiers. I prefer these over any other amplifier. It's great amps for a ham multi-band amp. You know, mil spec commercial stuff is even better, but I mean for a ham amp, something that was mass produced, this is my favorite. I'd take this over you know, something with an 8877 or any of those you know, the expensive tube or any other of the current production amps any day. Great amp. So if you can find one of these for a good price, I would snatch it up. You know, just make sure the band switch is in good condition, and you know, if it isn't, it can be replaced, but you always want to make sure these air variable capacitors are in good condition because they are unobtainium. So, well, I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. So, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Kenwood Tl-922a. Did the 10 meter modification, that's all set. Put the strap in. Series glitch resistor, meter protection diode, zip tied everything real nice. Air variable capacitors, great shape. Clean that relay back there with deoxit gold. I'll go ahead and flip it over and I'll show you the bottom. Be right back. Okay, so here's the bottom. Grounded the grids, did the self-bias modification, already had the soft key installed. Change electrolytic cap, added the strap over here, clean the output rotary switch with deoxit. Well, I put the new rotary switch in, and I, band switch and cleaned it with deoxit gold. Clean the input rotary switches with deoxit gold. Clean the TR relay with deoxit gold. Relay over here with deoxit gold. So this is what I use. So great stuff. See, the new switch comes with some sticky stuff on the contacts, which is conductive, but hair and stuff can stick to it, dust and all that, so I clean it off, and this stuff enhances the electrical connection, leaves a protective film on there also. So a lot of cleaners will just clean it off and then it'll end up corroding. This is just awesome stuff. So here's the old band switch. You can see the blown apart contact. So I'll say it again, these videos are for people who are looking to send something in for repair, just showing the work I do and how I'm very thorough, and I go through everything. I don't just fix one or two things, send it on its way, and then if the person has a grid to filament short, then they need a filament transformer, then the amp can end up becoming a parts unit. I do everything. The series glitch resistor may have protected the old band switch. This mod here increases the stability and protects the air variables, protects the band switch, protects the tubes, from parasitic problems. So these things will help hopefully stop the amp from ever needing to be serviced again, other than it eventually needing a new set of tubes. The customer always gets a video of the amp in operation on one band. I'm very, very busy here, setting this up, showing a power test here on YouTube. I mean, I do these videos for the customer and, like I said before, and to show people the consistency of my work, and that I'm very thorough and I don't leave any stone unturned. It's not a theatrical channel. I'm not trying to teach anyone how to work on amplifiers. This is extremely dangerous. And, a lot of people get into amplifiers to give people credit. They get in there and they try to fix it, but a lot of times they end up doing more damage, and it ends up costing more money when they send it in, or it could be so much done to it, like I've seen in Ameritron amps, where people go in there, they try to do things, and then now it's just not worth it to fix it. So please, if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. I'm only working on the ones on my channel that you see on my channel. They're ones I can get parts for. I work on a lot of them, and I'm very good at fixing anything, but, you know, I only have so much time, and, you know, I only have 2 hands. So, you know, please feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119, and the website is amprepairguy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. 73.